Hello, my name is Paola Soto. I present video exam on teacher Andrea Meneses. One question on my week routine. I belong to the Public Administration course, where my week's activities are working from Monday to Friday, studying at night, spending time with my daughter with her homework. I cook in the same way. I dedicate time to my husband, my love. From time to time we go on weekend to the beach, the forest. You family play, jam, explore it, forest and beach. More very happy. To enjoy nature with the family. The truth is that although sometimes there are problems in life, I very happy with my beauty family and thank God. Question 2, presentation of a friend. Family, you need to state my friend's name is Cynthia Gonzalez Rose. She lives in Texas, United States, for many years. She's an English and Spanish teacher. Since she is also naturalized in Chile, that is, she speaks English and Spanish. She is married to Jonathan and they have 2 children, Gabriel and Anaya. 2 children, beautiful. She works in school, goes to church and work, while children and adult or people. She is a person with a very good heart. She also sung beautiful. The track is all her family. I miss them since they travel very late to Chile, but friendship is kept. Friends, 15 years. Question 3, caring for the environment at home or work. White family, we take care of the environment in different ways, not using plastic bag, planting different vegetable at home, not throwing garbage anywhere, only where it should be. We have always taught our daughter that she should take care of our planet, animals. In fact, she feeds our pets that are part of our family. 2 dogs, Black and Max, be happy, family, beautiful, and love. And Haru, kitten, beautiful. We love them, but we always give our grain of sand by natural. Our family garden, very good. In my work there is collection of recycling, and that make my feel proud of the managed they have for that benefit for our planet. This has been my video exam. Thank you very much. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.